Comrades and friends, I'm sending you from my heart these words of solidarity and certainty that on July 13th, Slovenia will turn left, that the people of Slovenia will vote for the Srđana Levića. Comrades and friends, I'm confident of the success of Srđana Levića because you represent the future, because you represent the future that on July 13th, the Slovenian people will vote for the left. Because you represent the only credible alternative to neoliberal austerity, that on July 13th, the Slovenian people have a unique opportunity to reject. Because you don't represent party mechanisms, but the most energetic sectors of Slovenian society. You are the political child of the Slovenian winter of discontent. And this guarantees the Slovenian people that you will not disappoint them. Comrades and friends, at this critical juncture for Europe, the Slovenian people should vote left. They should vote for you, because you have the political will and capacity to contribute to a Europe relieved from the straitjacket of austerity, deregulation and privatization. And now that the democratic and the austerity forces in Europe are in a better position than before, it is not only us that need you at the Slovenian parliament. It is the Slovenian people who need you most. Comrades and friends, never before since the end of the Cold War has Europe been so dogmatic and undemocratic. Never before since the end of the Cold War have our countries been so hostile to the ideas of social justice and solidarity. It is for that reason that Srđana Levića, Syriza, all the democratic and progressive social and political forces, we all have a common task: to pull Europe out of the deep darkness of neoliberalism, to end austerity, to regain democracy, and to work for those political priorities both at home and in Europe. Comrades and friends, I'm sure that Slovenian people will vote so that to prevent the slippery downhill of Greece under the memoranda of austerity for their country. We count on you. We count on your success. On July 13th, the Slovenian people are voting for their youth, who cannot and should not become a lost generation. On July 13th, the Slovenian people are voting for themselves. That's why they are voting for the Srđana Levića. You impressed the entire European left with your performance in the European elections last May. You will be the positive and pleasant surprise of the July parliamentary elections, and I'm sure that you will have success. Syriza wishes you good luck, and I'm sure that you will have good luck.